Hello guys, and welcome to Taybug's Life 2.0. It's a Taybug's Life 2.0. And this wow, off to a great start. And on this channel, I'm going to be giving you secret life hacks for a home wife. Now, if you're not already familiar, I just got married on Friday, May 24th of the year 2019. Woo! Congrats to me. I am now working on finding room for all of the stuff we received. So in this first video, I am going to show you some stuff we got for our wedding, and I'm going to give you a sneak preview of what's to happen and how I achieve this goal. Okay guys, so we got a bunch of kitchen appliances, right? We have a Instapot, we have an air fryer, we have a George Foreman, we have those Rubbermaid thingies, containers, we have those containers, I think they're at the dollar store, and we've got some glass stuff from Target. And then we got a candle, some glass pitcher of some sort, and then we got like a little coffee maker back there. Anyways, so my job for today is to find room for everything on the counter that I pointed out. So I have an idea. Okay, are you ready for this? I don't know if you're ready. BAM! Look down there. All this stuff was given to me by family members and friends. We don't use like 3/4 of this stuff at all. Like, just look at that. So I have a feeling what I'm going to do is put everything down below in these cabinets. So, yeah. Alright guys, let's get started. Okay, the first tip I have for you is to get everything out of the area that you want to clean. Literally everything, and just put it somewhere where you can see everything at once. This is known as the first step in the KonMari method. Okay guys, that was painless. Remember how everything was just like everywhere in there? Now look at it. Looks a lot better. And I forgot that I had put the contact paper down there. And then that is the mess that I have to go through. Shouldn't take too long. But first of all, I'm going to take all these appliances and put them down here somewhere. So, let's see how this goes. So that was pretty painless. All the stuff that was on the counter that I wanted to put down there is now down there. We got the Instapot, We've got the air fryer, we've got the George Foreman, we've got the storage containers, more storage containers, and a little thingy. Now I'm going to show you how I achieved the previous clip. I had to do some moving around, but I think I achieved the main goal that I wanted to do. So now all the stuff that was in the cabinets, I'm going to go through and put into piles of what sparks joy and what doesn't spark joy. I will tell you, this KonMari method works wonders. And it's actually a lot of fun and therapeutic because you can figure out what you really want in your life and what you don't. So my question to you is, what are some kitchen appliances slash dishes slash anything you would put in the kitchen? What do you guys have in your kitchen? And what would you throw away? I'm curious to know. Leave in the comments what your thoughts are. In this clip, I am just putting away the pots and pans in the areas where they go. There was a lot of miscellaneous stuff around. And then this is a spot where I'm going to put the items that we don't use very often. Sorry in advance for the glare, but I'm going to put the stuff that we use occasionally down below the microwave since we use the microwave a lot. It'll make sense as you keep going. Now I'm going to put the crock pot that I have down below where the other appliances are, so they're all in one area. And then I'm going to put the stuff that we use quite a bit down below in this area, because this is the area we go to all the time. So this is the area that we'll be using frequently. And we want to have easy access to these items. Alright guys, that took about 45 minutes to an hour, I'd say, altogether. I got a lot accomplished today, honestly. But let's recap what I did. You've probably seen this, what this looks like, and down at the bottom. But then we added the crock pot, which is right there, and then some mixing bowls, and then a cookie sheet and a cutting board and a strainer, because that's what we use. We use those items pretty much all the time. So yeah, because he likes to make pancakes. And then we have this up on display. I'm gonna put that on display somewhere. Don't mind my dishes. Alright, and then over here we've got the pots and pans that we use a lot, and then ones that we don't, plus a few items that we never really use but I want to keep just in case. And then over here we have the ice cube trays, and then we have some stuff that we use but not on a regular basis. Like there's a pan in here, there's a muffin pan, there's some bread making stuff in there. It's just kind of hard to tell, but there's a bread making stuff in there, and stuff, you know, serving tray and stuff like that. Stuff we use but not often enough. And voila, we've got it covered. So that is my kitchen currently. It's coming together, but that's what I wanted to do today. So yeah. If you did enjoy this first video on my new channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And I hope this informed you to clean somewhere in your house. Even after you get married, you get more stuff. And so finding room for it all can be a challenge. But guess what? I did it in a small kitchen that we have. So I'm good. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And if you want to follow me on, keep up to date with me, go ahead and follow It's a Taybug's Life at Instagram and Twitter. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.